Hey, what's going on, boys and girls club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play sole activity. So for today's activity, we're actually going to be making homemade muffins or protein bars based off the way that you see it. So this recipe is pretty easy. You can basically see and follow along based off the video. But the basic ingredients you want to add is you want to add a bunch of dry foods and then you want to add a bunch of liquid foods. So for the dry foods, you want to start with 2 cups of flour as well as a teaspoon or 2 of baking soda. That's the main essential ingredient. From there, you want to add some protein powder, maybe even peanut butter powder if you can find it. I've added that a couple times. Of course, you have cinnamon and nutmeg. You can even add some brown sugar and cinnamon in there if you want. And then moving on from there, you have some fruits and berries, and the quickest and easiest way to take care of this is by adding just a whole thing of trail mix in. But what I like to do is I personally like to add cranberries because those taste the best. Similarly, I also like almonds. I know they taste really well, and walnuts can taste pretty good too. Beyond that, really try and experiment and see what cool things you can add, such as chocolate cocoa squares, maybe even marshmallows or even something else. And then you got your liquids. You want to add some canola oil, of course, maybe 2 or 3 eggs, depending on how you like yours. Of course, you want to throw in some peanut butter as well, and then you want to throw in a little bit of almond milk. I like to add 2 cups. You can add some normal milk if you like. And then finally, if you add just a little bit of honey as well as maple syrup, it can make it taste really sweet. So go ahead, try it out. Make your own muffins or protein bars. It's going to taste awesome. Once you have all your ingredients, you're going to want to put it in a pan. Make sure the pan doesn't overflow because when it bakes, it's going to rise some. You want to put it in the oven at about 350 degrees, and you want to leave it in there for about 30 to 40 minutes before checking on it. Once it's done baking, take it out of the oven to cool for about an hour, and then flip the pan so it all comes out. And when you're done, get a cup of peanut butter that you can put in the microwave for a couple seconds just to warm it up, make it smooth out, and then you can dip your bars or muffins into the peanut butter and completely surround them and then freeze them, and they taste really good. So thank you all so much for watching and have a great day. Let me know how your protein bars and muffins turn out.